name?
My name is Khánh.
How are you today?
Happy.
Okay, how old are you? I'm 7 years old. Where are you from?
I'm
From
from Vietnam.
what color do you like?
I like green.
Okay, what animal do you like?
Hot.
I like
Hot.
horse. Okay. Are you ready for the test? Yes. Okay. Let's look at the screen and answer my question. What's the weather like? Is
Is sunny.
good,
Is
rainy,
rainy.
is
Is sunny.
snowy,
Snowy.
is
Sunny.
windy,
Windy.
is cloudy.
Cloudy.
Good. So look and say put on your
Food
on your dress.
Food
Put on
on
your skirt.
clothes. Food on
Your shoes.
food. Food on hat.
Your hat.
Hat. Food on
Your trousers.
tacos. Food on some
T-shirt.
t-shirt. Food on
Your socks.
hat.
Okay. Good. Now look and read. When is sunny?
When it's sunny,
I
I
often wear.
hat.
Good. When is windy?
Windy.
I often wear jacket and trousers. Now, tell me what animal is this? Is a sheep? Is a horse? Is a cow? Is a goat? Is duck? Frog? Is a turkey? Hen? Okay. How many